Here are 3 professional development goals you can set for yourself or for your direct reports that are guaranteed to not only boost performance, but also engagement. Let's go! Roll the title card! All right, I've calmed down, but let's go. Number 1, becoming a thought leader. Now, I know everybody wants to be an influencer these days, and yes, thought leader might just sound like a fancy term for an influencer on LinkedIn, but let's think about what goes into becoming a thought leader. To become a thought leader, you need to build an expertise in your field, and then you need to be really good at sharing that expertise with other people. Not only that, but as you're sharing that expertise, you need to be keeping the community engaged. So you need to be engaging in the way you deliver your knowledge. As you can see, none of these things are anything to scoff at. So why shouldn't this be a goal for you or for your team? And you can structure this professional development goal with ease. You can set a short-term goal of producing at least 1 written content a week on your field. And then you can turn this into a long-term goal saying, hey, now I'm going to commit at least 2 to 3 hours to producing content every single week. Now, there are lots of outside factors that go into being a thought leader that are out of your control. So even if you don't succeed, even if you don't become a huge personality on LinkedIn, the skills you and your team will gain along the way are priceless. Number 2, taking relevant courses in your field. Hey, look at me. If you go up to your manager right now and say, hi, I would need the company's help so I can take some courses in my field so I can be better at my job, if they're even a halfway decent manager, they'll be really impressed with you. Because taking relevant courses in your field doesn't just show your commitment to your career, but it also shows your commitment to this job, to this company. Now, the way you should go about this is relatively simple. Identify the areas where you want to develop, find the relevant course, and then commit to continuous learning. But there's a really important key to that first step. The skills and competencies you identify for the courses you're about to take shouldn't be just for your current role, but for your future aspirations. Because when you start taking courses to develop the skills for not just your current role, but the roles you want in the future, it tells everyone, hey, I'm here and I'm gunning for that promotion. Last but not least, you need to start following other departments. Scratch that, you need to start shadowing them. And you need to commit to this hard. Because when you spend time outside of your department with people in other departments, you gain cross-functional insights. You understand how each department contributes to the success of the company, and you're also aware of challenges and opportunities in those departments. This also helps you build stronger relationships with people you don't necessarily work with that often and expands your skill set. So in the upcoming quarter, try and take more cross-departmental projects on. If you've stuck with me this far, then you know how important it is to be setting professional development goals in your organization. And I'm going to show you a way you can structure them out organization-wide, right inside Microsoft Teams and Outlook. All you need to do is start using Teamflect, the all-in-one performance management and employee engagement software for Microsoft Teams and Outlook. Alongside a plethora of incredible performance management features such as performance reviews and 360-degree feedback, Teamflect also is an incredible career management platform. Teamflect scans your organizational chart and helps you come up with role descriptions and competencies for each role in your organization. Then you can use all of this to build branching career paths for your employees. So your team knows which skills and competencies they need to develop and how they can progress their careers in your company. You can also integrate these competencies into performance reviews and your feedback. The best part is you can try Teamflect for free today because Teamflect is fully free with full functionality for up to 10 users. So go ahead, click the link in the description to try Teamflect for free or learn more by scheduling a free demo. But that brings us to the end of this video. What did you think? What did I miss? Just let me know in the comments. Guys, we release helpful content like this one every single week. Subscribe so you don't miss any of them. Bye-bye.